Sleeping, but I got a wake up call if you're sleeping. Haters keep on tripping on me, cool. I got some reasons for it. If you're talking me, that's okay. I got some season for it.
I've never really owned a House of Marley speaker. Every time I go through the electronics store, I always see it. They always stand out. Now, what I heard from these speakers is that the sound that they produce is very, very smooth. Their bass is very deep. They have good mid-tones, and their high tones are pretty energized, you know. The materials they use are very mindfully sourced. Like their bamboo, their wood, the plastic, the fabric, the aluminum, they're all recycled. It's a very environmentally conscious brand. Now, this is a pretty big boombox speaker, guys. Luckily, it comes with a carrying case and a strap, so you can carry it around with you. Alright guys, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so here's what's inside the box, guys. It's pretty simple. You don't get that much. You get this box, which probably has all the chargers and the manuals, and you got the speaker. Just take this out. These are heavy, bro. Let's see what's in the box. It's pretty light though, so I'm guessing it's just the manual and the charger. Actually not. So yeah, you get your warranty card. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is pretty cool, guys. You get the outlet adapters right here, and you also have this one. Yeah, so you got two different outlet adapters. Yeah, there's a lot of outlets here, guys. I don't know. Yeah, so you got this adapter, this adapter. I don't know which country these are from. I'll just put a text on top of it, so you guys know. And I know this one's from the standard American outlet. Okay, so you got these outlets. One last thing is the charger. That's it. This whole bag is basically just a bunch of these guys. So I used up this much cardboard for that much product. Okay, don't know why, but okay. Okay, so let's see how this thing actually works. Yeah, so it outputs 18 volts and 2.5 amps, so at 45 watts. And these adapters are simply just to... Here we go, just attach it like that. And if you want to take it off, there's a little flip. All you gotta do, press and hold down. It'll release the lock, so you could switch out the adapters. Okay, so make sure you have this little indent at the bottom. You place it at the bottom side of the adapter, so it locks in. So you place the top first, like this, and then you press down like that, and that's locked. And there you go. You could take these speakers to any country basically, and then you'll be fine. It's pretty useful. It's pretty unique. Like, I've never had any other, like, I've unboxed other speakers before, and I think these things don't really come together in a box. Usually it's just this. That's it. Like, it doesn't come with adapters and stuff like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think I get why they have these. Part of the House of Marley brand, and the legacy that this brand wants is to spread the love of music. So I think I know why they have these types of adapters. It's cool. It's cool. All right, but we'll be using this for now because we're in America. Canada, actually. Same outlet then. And these guys we could use whenever I go to a vacation somewhere. Yeah, it's a big speaker. Something underneath. Whoa. And it's a heavy speaker too. Good thing it came with the straps, because this thing is heavy. Just feel the weight. Just feel the weight on it. Like, you could feel the, like, it's heavy. It's heavy, heavy, heavy. just like the design of everything. It has a very smooth, sleek design. You know, it really brings a different type of vibe. You know, when you're playing the music, and then you're just seeing this. So this is the carrying pouch. But if you don't want the pouch, let's say you're at home vibing, chilling with your boys, you know, or like family's over, you could just take it out. Voila, there we go. So you could either carry it like this, like a bag, or like this, like a gym bag. You also have a pouch where you could place either your charger or your cables for the speaker, or anything you want to place in it. So here you see the 3.5-inch woofers, and here are the 1-inch tweeters. They're so big that actually they have these bass ports on the sides over here too. That is for the DC jack in, and that's to charge the Bluetooth speaker. As I can see right now, it only has these buttons here, pretty self-explanatory. You know, they got the volume up, the volume down, Bluetooth connect button, the on and off button, right? that's it. And then you also have the DC jack at the back. Here is just for your charge in and your aux. Just a little info on these speakers. So the playtime on these are 10 hours. So the JBLs, they have their Charge 4s, and they have their JBL boombox. So we might do a comparison in the near future.
Powering on. Ready to pair.
I could already feel the bass. The moment this spoke, I was like, whoa, damn, I'm excited. That's crazy. It's just the feeling of the speaker is crazy, guys. Holy. Sorry for cutting it out, but I'll play it again. I mean, I've never really owned a boombox speaker or a speaker of this size. I was planning on getting a JBL boombox or a JBL Charge 4. Boomboxes are just different. They just hit different. It's a different type of vibe, a different type of sound quality. This is a bigger speaker, guys. It outputs more energy. If anything, I'd get 2 of these. I don't know if you could dual pair them. Alright, so I just checked. So you can have 2 of these guys playing at the same time. I might have to buy another one of this. Alright, let's keep going. Oh my god, this is crazy. Like the sound, like the sound these guys produce is it's very rich. I can't explain the sound. I'm not an audio guy. I'm not an audiophile. I don't know the proper terminology to describe sounds and whatnot or music. I did play piano once, but I think that's a whole different story. You could feel the quality of the audio. Like the high tones are not too pitchy. The mid tones are alright. They're just right smack dab right there in the middle. And the bass, guys, it's not very like loud, like thump loud bass. Like paid around $200 to $300 on this. I don't know exactly. I think $260 or $250. You have these big 3.5-inch woofers, 2 of them, to deliver that bass and the mid tones. And you have these tweeters to level out the high-pitched tones with it. Also the bass ports on the side over here. So whenever the speaker is playing anything bassy and whatnot, you could feel the air rushing through it, like rushing out of it. I don't know, I feel weird. Like, I don't know whether it's just from the song, because I do like EDM type songs. That's just why I'm feeling this way, or maybe it's just the speakers. I don't know. Let's try a different song. This is an instrumental. One thing I should also tell you guys is that these speakers are loud, bro. This is not even max volume. It's not even half volume, and it's loud.
Powering off.
So guys, that is the bag of Riddim from the house of Marley. How would I rate the speaker overall? The way I rate Bluetooth speakers or speakers in general, in my opinion, are based on a couple things, a couple factors for me personally that I look for. Number 1 is sound quality. Number 2 is the aesthetic look. Number 3 is the brand. And number 4 is the overall functionality or the practicality of the speaker. This is a $300 speaker, so you bet it has to have good sound. The one thing I could take from the sound is like the bass is really smooth, it's very carried out, and if I were to give it a rating out of 10, it would have to be a solid 9, if not a high 9. The sound is very subjective, guys, and for me personally, based on other speakers I've seen, I've tested, this would be a 9 out of 10, definitely. Okay, so the second one would be the aesthetic wise. The way this is designed is very sleek, very roundish. I do like the wood, guys, the bamboo on the front and on the back. It just feels really solid too, and like the fabric in between, it's just nice, like the quality of materials they use. But the one thing I don't like, the reason why I'm giving it a 9 if not a high 8, is just the fabric here. I can see little artifacts here. It just doesn't look clean. I wouldn't say dirty, but there's just little artifacts here. Like it doesn't look polished. Just this part. It's not a big problem for me. It's just like it's not perfect. Like it's subjective also. Now every year the House of Marley contributes to the One Tree Planted project. Since 2017 they actually planted over 200,000 trees, so that's pretty incredible, guys. Like, but yeah, and also the brand itself, Bob Marley, you already know Bob Marley's the guy. Like I listen to this guy, I listen to Bob Marley all the time. So yeah, guys, this is the House of Marley bag of Riddim 2. Let me know what you guys think of the speaker. If you like this video, you want me to do more of these types of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.